Good morning from Trott HQ in Bushy. We've got a busy one today. First one of the day. This is a new client with his Triumph Tiger 900. This is in for one of our full Monty valets. It doesn't look like she's been cleaned in some time. I think this gentleman uses it daily. He is getting it serviced at Triumph later, so I think he was a bit embarrassed to take it in looking like this. What the hell is that? We're going to do one of our full Monty valets. That will include a chain service, so we're going to get all that cleaned up, get some fresh lube on it, get it looking like it should, get the whole bike looking like it should. She's ready for the summer ahead. Get all this winter cut off and get it prepped for the summer. Let's get cracking. We'll get it snow foamed on it first, loosen up all these contaminants, and get it all properly clean, and then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some polishing. Wish me luck on this one. Okay, Triumph is now fully washed and blow dried. I just had a chat with the gentleman. He didn't realize we have 50 pounds off our full works package. So this is going to get a full works package. I got some machine polishing to do on the bodywork, get that exhaust all polished up, and then we're going to treat it with the signature 4K ceramic. So we're going to airbrush it on every nook and cranny, wheels, motor, all your suspension linkages. I will apply it by hand to all the bodywork. This bike is going to be fully protected now for the years ahead. So let's do a little bit more blow drying. I still see a bit of water there. We've got the seat off, and then we're going to crack on with some machine polishing on that bodywork, and then we'll start applying some ceramic. Okay, cracking on with this Triumph. Exhaust has all been polished, engine's all prepped, all the center stand wheels are all prepped, awaiting ceramic. Just doing some machine polishing on this bodywork, just to remove a few imperfections. Good old black shows every single mark. So we're doing a two-stage polish on all this lovely gloss tank and this black, just to make sure to remove any imperfections before we put down any ceramic. No sense in putting ceramic on scratched up bodywork. I'm going to polish that headlight. We've got the windscreen and the headlight cover over there, which we're polishing as well. And there you go, this Triumph GT 900 Pro Tiger has been fully trotted. This has had one of our legendary full works packages. Look at the gloss on that. This has had everything thrown at it, full wash, degreased, decontaminated. All the exhaust has been polished. 2-stage machine polish on the windscreen and all the bodywork. Then everything was prepped. We airbrushed the signature 4K ceramic on every nook and cranny of this bike, making sure to keep it properly protected for the years ahead. All your motors, swing arm, suspension linkages, the wheels, we applied it by hand. We used the Distinction HD. That is a graphene ceramic coating. That, look at the gloss on that. It will only get better as the day goes on. Like I said, all the wheels have been coated, calipers all down the motor, all up underneath the seat. We then brushed a little XCP on all the nuts and bolts. Anything that I think needs that extra protection against any corrosion, all your banjo bolts, everything's been coated. Get yours booked in now. We've got a £50 off offer on this package up until the end of the month. Be quick, as there's only a couple of places left. Time to load this up. I'm going to take it to Triumph for him as he's getting it booked in for a service. Give us a call, 07966 249 963.